Hey everybody, crazy day today with the McCloskeys situation in St. Louis. A video I did not too long ago told everybody that they were being charged by Kimberly Gardner, the hack of a circuit attorney. Literally moments ago, the district attorney has filed a brief to have the case, the charges dismissed. This is just happening. The Attorney General also made a statement, and this is it here. The right to keep and bear arms is given the highest level of protection in our Constitution and our laws, including the Castle Doctrine. This provides broad rights to Missourians who are protecting their property and lives from those who wish to do them harm. Despite this, Circuit Attorney Gardner filed charges against the McCloskeys, who, according to published reports, were defending their property and safety. As Missouri's chief law enforcement officer, I won't stand by while Missouri law is being ignored. That's why I have entered this case to seek its dismissal, to protect the rights of Missourians to defend their property under Missouri's Castle Doctrine. The brief supporting this dismissal says this: the right to use firearms to defend one's person, family, home, and property has deep roots in Missouri law. Self-defense is the central component of the right to keep and bear arms, which receives the highest level of protection from the Missouri Constitution. Missouri statutes specifically authorize Missouri citizens to use firearms to deter assailants and protect themselves, their families, and their homes from threatening or violent intruders. A highly publicized criminal prosecution of Missouri citizens for exercising these fundamental freedoms threatens to intimidate and deter law-abiding Missouri citizens from exercising their constitutional right of self-defense. On behalf of all Missourians who wish to exercise their right to keep and bear arms in self-defense of their persons, homes, families, and property, the Attorney General respectfully requests that the court dismiss this case at the earliest possible opportunity. Some more information on the charges that Gardner lodged against the McCloskeys. Like I said in the video, was the unlawful use of a weapon. They technically didn't use the weapon because they never pulled the trigger. In fact, they should be applauded for showing that restraint, especially with what was going on. That is a Class E felony in Missouri, which can carry a sentence of up to 4 years in prison and a fine of $10,000. Now, anytime law enforcement official, I don't call attorneys law enforcement officials. I just can't do it because they don't enforce law. But this circuit attorney, she had to file a paper to get these charges. She had to file formal charges, and you have to prove probable cause for these charges to be filed. So this is what she wrote, looking to get probable cause for these charges. In the statement, she said that Mark McCloskey screamed at protesters as he was armed with a semi-automatic rifle. Okay, so court documents said he lowered the rifle and pointed it at the group of protesters walking through the gate and onto the street and sidewalk of Portland Place. It's not a public place. They walked onto their property, threatened to burn it down, threatened to kill them, threatened to kill their dog, threatened to live in their house, and burn the house down as well. Okay, that's what happened. Don't forget it. Don't ever forget it. And then the probable cause statement against his wife, Patricia, says she was armed with what was later determined to be a semi-automatic handgun. Court documents said she began yelling at protesters to go while pointing the gun with her finger on the trigger at protesters. The probable cause statement also said that since June 28th, the McCloskeys have made public statements describing the incident. It also said Mark McCloskey has repeatedly acknowledged that he and his wife brandished the weapons. Well, yeah, it's on camera. They had to pull the weapons out to keep your mob at bay. Your mob, Miss Gardner, was looking to do to them what they did to the rest of your city just moments before, days before, the week before, burn it to the ground, threatening to kill people. And don't forget, the police did not show up. They were warned that this would happen, not to show up. That puts them in a position where they have to defend themselves. So that is the latest that's happened in Missouri and St. Louis. I will keep my eyes on this. And all I ask for you is to kindly share this video with as many friends as you can. Please thumbs up the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. and hit that bell icon. Pretty easy. Those 4 things will take you 2 seconds, and it helps this channel more ways than you know. So thank you all for your time. I am still working this, and I will continue to until they are relinquished from the fear and the stress that they're under right now. And I hope that they sue this Kimberly Gardner for breach of her oath and for using political situation for her political expediency. I hope they own the city of St. Louis after this. All right, guys, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a weapon. On to the next one. Take care.